Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make a simple lemongrass tea that promotes hair growth, strengthens your strands, and leaves your hair feeling so refreshed. So if you're struggling with dandruff, itchy scalp, scalp irritation, or even breakage, you might want to try this. To make this tea, all you need is some fresh lemongrass leaves and some water. Lemongrass is packed with antioxidants and vitamins A and C, which are all great for strengthening hair follicles and improving scalp circulation. So start by harvesting some fresh lemongrass leaves, cut off the roots and any dry ends, and then rinse thoroughly to remove dirt and sand. To make sure it infuses properly into the water, cut up the leaves just like I've done, and then you can transfer into a pot and pour enough water just to cover it, and then set on fire. Let it boil and you would notice the water turn green, but allow it to simmer on low heat for another 10 to 15 minutes and you would notice a rich brown color, and that is what tells you that your lemongrass tea is ready. Turn off the heat and allow to steep for another 5 to 10 minutes, after which it would have cooled. Strain the tea into a bowl and voila! Just like that, your lemongrass tea is ready. And in case you were wondering, these leaves can still be reboiled, so I'm just going to save them in the refrigerator for the next time. Now let me show you how you can use this for hair growth. The first way is as a daily scalp spray. So you want to just transfer this into your spray bottle and spray your scalp with it every day or a couple of days in a week. This will help calm any scalp irritation that you have and also keep your scalp fresh between wash days. But if you're like me who doesn't like to leave any DIY hair treatment in her hair, then the second one is for you. I like to use this as a pre-poo for wash days. So what I do is just to prepare this right before I'm ready to wash my hair, and then I spray it generously onto my hair from my scalp to my strands, to my ends. So this refreshes my scalp, and at the same time, because lemongrass has moisturizing properties, helps me detangle my hair. Then I just go on to cover it up to trap some heat, keep that in for about 30 minutes, within which I believe that it would have worked its wonders on my hair. And then I go on to rinse it off in the shower, shampoo my hair, and condition as usual. So let me give you a little backstory to this. I stumbled upon this by accident actually. I had made lemongrass and rosemary oil as a mosquito repellent, but I didn't want to trash the residue after extracting the oil, so I just boiled it and used it to spray my hair just like this, and found that my hair actually did love it. The first thing I noticed instantly was how it refreshed my scalp. So when I went online, did a bit of research and found that lemongrass can actually be used for hair growth, I wasn't quite surprised. Since then, I've been alternating between using aloe vera and lemongrass as a pre-poo, and so far so good, my hair is loving it. Which brings us to the third and final way you can use this, and that is as a hair rinse. So after shampooing and conditioning your hair as usual, you just want to pour this through your hair, massage into your scalp properly, and then let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, just rinse off with a generous amount of water. I noticed after I did this that it sort of calmed my scalp, after all the tugging and pulling of my wash day routine. So I love it. But I must mention here that you have to choose one way that you're going to be using this. If you're going to use it as a daily spray or as a pre-poo or as a final hair rinse, don't do all three to avoid overloading your hair with lemongrass, because too much of everything is bad, which is just Nigerian parlance for moderation is key. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and let me know in the comments if you're going to be trying this. And if you do try this, let me know how your hair feels after about 1 week. I always love to read your feedbacks. Feel free to share this video with someone who loves a good hair DIY. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more simple and quick DIY hair products like this. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.